Hello everyone. So today we'll solve some problems in Leetcode. Our first problem is minimum size array sum, which is 209th problem in Leetcode. So what we need to do, given an array of positive integers nums and a positive integer target, we need to return the minimal length of a subarray where sum is greater than or equal to the target. So if there isn't such elements, so we just need to return zero. It's like let's say we have some kind of array like this, and we need to find the minimum size. Yeah, here we can see that with minimum size 2, we can get our target value here, which is 7. So let's say as an example, here instead of 2, we have 8. And we need to consider this as a result, which would be 1. Why 1? Because we know that the minimum subarray here can be 1, and the sum which would be more than every number is 8. So here we would return 8 as a result here. So to solve this problem, we can use 2 pointers, or maybe we can use this data structure to solve this problem in one time. Why one time? Because we just need to go through every element in this array to get the sum, and we will check every subarray here. However, one thing to have in mind that we will start from the start part and the end part. Yeah, we will come to the 2. We will check is it more than our target. If it's not, we will increase our right part, we will go to 3 and etc. So in the drawing part, we will see all of this. So let's go into the drawing part. So let's get into the coding part. So here we can see our algorithm and the step-by-step algorithm. Firstly, what we need to do? Firstly, we will initialize some kind of left pointer and the right pointer, and the sum variable to store the elements in here. Also, we will initialize a result variable. Why we put it into the integer max value? Because as we know that in the given description, we need to find the minimum value for the result, and so that's why we will compare it with the max value. So here we created a for loop. The idea of creating a for loop, we will definitely go from the first element until the last element. So by using while loop, it would look like it wouldn't be a clean code. So that's why we use a for loop for creating a right pointer. And here, what we need to do. Firstly, we go from the first element until the last element. First, it's like we have this kind of array, and the first we add 2 for our sum. So our sum would be 2. And the secondly, it will go to the third element, which is 3, and we will add it. It would be 5. And however, in this part, we can know that this isn't more than our target. So this part wouldn't work, and this part also wouldn't work. And thirdly, we will add 1. It would be 6. However, it isn't still more than 7 or equal to it. So we will also add 2, and here we can see that our left part is still in 0, however right part is in 3 index. So here we can see that 8 is more than 7 in this part. So we will initialize our result as result and the r minus a left pointer, which would be 3 minus 0. No. It's 4 minus 0, which is 4. So for our result, we will put element 4. And here, this while loop also will work. Why? Because as we can see, sum is 8 is more than our target, and we will decrease elements from the left part and increase. So here we will increase our left point to the 1, and the right pointer would be 3. And here we will minus first element 2 from 8, which would be 8. And here we can see that our sum now is less than 7, less than target value, and we will increase the left pointer, right pointer, which would be 4. Yeah, here, and then we will add 4 to our, which would be 10, and it's now it's more than our target, and we will check, is it more than or less than our 4. So we will 3 minus 1, which would be 3, which is less than, and we will put uh, 3 for result part. And here uh, our while loop will work here. Our while loop will work here, and we will uh, increase the left pointer. And here it would be 2, result would be 4, and we will minus 3 from our 10, which would be 7, which is still equal to 0 or more than our target, and we will increase our left pointer, which is 3, and the right would be 4. Yeah, here we can see that the sum of these elements is still equal to the 7, and we will add, we will still will increase the left pointer, which would be something like this. Yeah, here we can see that this points is not now uh, is less than the 7, which would be 6, and it's less, and we will increase our right pointer, which would be like this. And here we can see that the addition sum of these elements is more than the 7, and we will increase left pointer, which would be L would be 5, and the right pointer would be 6. Yeah, here we can see that and we will add them, which is 7, and uh, it's right for our description, and we will 6 and 5 would be 1. However, we will add 1 to our result. But why? Because as we know, indexes in array starts from 0. So here you can see our code, and after that we will return result. Why we write this? Because in some cases the target value couldn't equal to be the given description. So we will firstly check if it's equal to the integer value. So if it is equal to integer value, integer max value, we will just return 0. If it's not equal to the integer max value, we return our result. So I think everything is clear. So I guess have you enjoyed my videos? So thank you very much. Goodbye.